Right, so just lying in that comfortable position, supported in whatever way feels right for you. And just letting yourself arrive. Feel the steadiness beneath you, the earth holding you. And letting the body soften into that support. And you might like to take your attention to your heart space. So to your sternum, to your chest. And you can always place a hand there if you want to. Just noticing this heart space, this quiet, steady presence. And you might like to repeat this simple phrase. I release what no longer serves me, and I am open to change. Or something else that feels meaningful or right to you. I release what no longer serves me, and I am open to change. I release what no longer serves me, and I am open to change. So letting it land gently, as if planting a seed. Planting a seed into your body, mind, into your nervous system. I am open to change. I am open to new possibilities, to new growth. So just bringing your awareness to the back of your body in contact with the support. Maybe sensing the back of your head on the earth beneath you. Perhaps sensing the contact of your shoulders. And the arms and hands. Maybe you can notice one arm a little more clearly than the other, perhaps. Noticing perhaps the weight of your back in contact with the support. And the back of your pelvis. And then the weight of your legs. And your heels or the soles of your feet in contact with the earth. And again, perhaps in your mind's eye, you favour one leg over the other. And can you notice both legs together at the same time? And now noticing the whole of your body resting on the floor, being supported, cradled by the earth. And perhaps sensing your body being breathed. Just the natural rhythm of your breath. No need to do anything. Just the inhalation simply arriving. And the exhalation just softly leaving. The breath moving just like a gentle breeze. Maybe rustling the leaves on the trees. A soft sway to the flowers on a woodland floor. So perhaps you can begin to imagine or sense a quiet woodland floor, carpeted in bluebells, a soft violet blue haze that stretches beneath the trees, as if the earth itself is glowing with this blue light. You might imagine or sense the sunlight filtering through the fresh spring leaves that are on the trees. Maybe you can see the blossom falling. And the floor beneath the trees are in this dappled shade, with the sun rays moving gently through the trees' branches. Perhaps you can use your imagination so well that the air you breathe carries the delicate scent of bluebells. Maybe other flowers grow amongst the bluebells, or you see springy moss and ferns, maybe wood anemones blooming quietly, small and delicate. And perhaps you can see yourself here. Maybe you can feel that springy ground under your feet. Maybe you look down and you can see your feet there. You might be barefoot, you might have shoes on. So it's as though you're there looking out through your own eyes. And you might choose to walk along a clear path, each step soft beneath your feet. You feel safe and supported. The ground, while soft, is steady. It holds you. It supports you. Maybe in that wonderful imagination of yours, you can hear birdsong. Maybe the tuneful melody of robins. Perhaps a distant woodpecker tapping. Or a cuckoo in the distance. Perhaps bringing your attention back to your breath. Each breath letting your body soften. Allowing the release of any stagnant energy. Or any old habits or patterns or behaviours or ways of thinking that are stunting change and growth in you. Let your grip loosen. Let them soften to make space for new growth, for change. Maybe new growth for you are clear, focused ideas, fresh insights, a new challenge, or the change of giving up something. And we'll return to our Sankalpa. So again, you might want to place your hand over your heart space, gently returning to your phrase or this phrase. I release what no longer serves me, and I am open to change. Just saying this perhaps in your mind. I release what no longer serves me, and I am open to change. I release what no longer serves me, and I am open to change. And just rest here for a few moments longer, held by the earth, supported, surrounded by life, but with a quiet sense of ease and stillness. So just know that you can carry these feelings forwards with you, carrying this sense of opportunity, of change, of ease, of stillness, of relaxation. You gather it all up and take it with you into your future. So we're going to end this practice very slowly, like unfurling petals. So you might want to just bring some soft movement to your body, a little stretch or a wiggle, a little shuffle. And you might open your eyes, take in the light. And of course, if you are listening to this recording later on and you're using it to support sleep, you can just enjoy a quiet night's sleep right now. But if you need to continue with your day, keep your eyes open, have a stretch and bring yourself slowly up to sitting.